Hey there, Miguel Martinez Juarez here. So, in this video, I'm going to talk about affirmations. Okay, affirmations are powerful. Okay, now the thing with affirmations is that they have to have feeling when you say them, either mentally or vocally. Excuse me, I feel like a sneeze is coming on, but just like right there, it's about to come, but it's not coming. So yeah. Next, I'm gonna explain how you can do this. In my last mastermind with my partners, we talked about an affirmation for financial abundance. That was my request, right? After we did our gratitude, or what we were grateful for, what were our successes, right, of the week, we went into what we need feedback and support in. A lot of our limiting beliefs and things where we're trying to grow towards, we speak about in that part. So I said, hey, I'm writing Bob Proctor's affirmation. I am so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities through multiple sources on a continuous basis. But I'm not feeling like financially abundant. And then one of the mastermind partners said, well, financial abundance isn't really an image. It's a statement. Think about the things that you want to buy. Think about the things you want to buy and feel good. Feel like you have them already. And then write the affirmation. Even write that you be grateful that you have the things that you want, right? And I started thinking about the things that I wanted, right? That are on my vision board. I'm like, yeah, I have it. I'm like, yes. And I started feeling good. Now I'm feeling good, right? I'm feeling good. And now is a perfect time to say the affirmation. I'm so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities through multiple sources on a continuous basis, right? So this is an example of how an affirmation should be done. Think of the images that your affirmation is meant for, right? Let's do one for love, right? If you want to find your partner, your soulmate, think of the end. All right, what is it, right? I didn't picture me walking, like one of my goals is a sports car, so I wasn't picturing myself walking into the dealer or on my computer researching financing prices, colors, and types of wheels. No, I was like, I already have it. It's right there in my parking lot, in my carport, right? It's in my carport. So for love, a good one is seeing yourself wake up next to your partner, right? See yourself in the beach, or at a park, at the mall, at a restaurant, and enjoy the moment. Be right there with your partner and hand over the food to her or him. Here you go. See yourself walking out, giving her or him a kiss, right? And do that over and over again, right? Just keep seeing it, do it 2-3 times a day, and then say the affirmation. I'm so happy and grateful now that I'm with my soulmate or my partner, my girlfriend, right? I'm grateful I'm with my girlfriend. I'm grateful I'm with my boyfriend. And then you keep saying that over and over again. I manifested my avalanche that way. I used to write things I'm grateful for and things that I wanted. I used to write them down. Now I vocalize them, but I wrote it down. I'm so happy and grateful for this day. I'm so grateful for my bed. I'm so grateful for this job. I'm so grateful for the gym. I'm so grateful for my black Chevy Avalanche. Now I have a black Chevy Avalanche in my carport. Right. Of course, I had to do some research for the Avalanche. I had to talk to a few people, and all the things will come to you automatically. Like they'll be intuitive, right? Now, let's do health. if you want to get in shape, you want to have a nice body, see yourself in the mirror. That's how I manifested my body. Yeah, I looked at myself in the mirror, and I always say, "Ooh, look at these muscles. Look at these arms. Look at these chests. Look at these abs, or what have you." And then say your affirmation. Okay. Say your affirmation. Okay. Like, I'm in shape. You can even say, I will get in shape, because you're making a definite decision. I will. And that's something about I will is like very powerful. Okay. I remember I did that with my body. I also did that with education. I said, I will get an education. I don't care. I don't care if I miss X, Y, Z. I don't care if I do, like sleepless nights. I didn't know I had to do sleepless nights, but that's if you don't study in an organized, timely manner, you're like, oh, I need to cram, or I need to write this paper tonight because I only have 2 and there's like 10 pages. So you stay up all night writing. If you've gone to college or went to college for a little while, you know how it is. So I was willing to do all that. I was willing to make any sacrifice to make sure I did that. But it was a definite decision as well. Okay, so that goes to another point. Definite decision on your goal. Make sure you will get it, and you'll never give up. Usually this happens when you're pushed to the deep ends of a situation, like the most difficult times of a situation. When I decided to go to college, I was in prison. When I decided to get in shape, I was sick, and I was getting fat, and I was sick. So I didn't want that. I was like, I'm done. I'm exhausted. I also remember this girl who I was studying with. She kind of gave me this look when I was coughing, and I was like, man, I haven't got rid of this cough for 3 months. And now she's giving me a weird look. And that's the look I was kind of giving me inside, because I was always sick for so long. So yeah, just an example. Make sure you make a definite decision. You don't have to wait to the extreme measures to happen. Make a definite decision. I will get X. Okay, be it wealth or love or health or happiness, right? If you want to reach a certain level of your skill set, so you're in a competition, right? Typically, you pay for competitions like bodybuilding competition. You have to pay. I have to pay to be in a bodybuilding competition. Okay, so it's not there. You're not there for the money. You're not there for simply love. You're there to win and show off your skills. So, in a competitive field, you can visualize yourself winning the trophy. Okay, winning the trophy. Not because you're better than everybody, but because you want to grow. Okay, that's how you'll keep on winning. Is you want to get better and better and better. I've won competitions, sales competitions for a company I'm working for, and I visualized myself winning the check. I saw myself with the guy handing me the check. The guy handed me the check. At the same time, I was driven. I said, okay, I need to make as many sales as I can. Let's hit for 30. I think I hit like 33 that month, and only 27 were qualified sales. But I think I was doing 2 a day, and I was getting people on the phone who wanted to get it done. I remember people would look at me like, "What the hell? This guy got another sale?" And the reason is because I was attracting everything to me. I was attracting the people who needed the service. Okay, and I was working with the laws. I was working with these laws, and so I got the deal. I got the award, top performer, best salesman. After that, I let it go and went up to different types of goals, because there's different there's different sales levels in the company, and now I have different goals. But yeah, you have to see yourself with the trophy. Okay, and this is what Florence Scovel Shin talks about in perfect self-expression. Your perfect self-expression, right? It's something you can do and grow and enjoy. Okay. Now, going back to the affirmation. Okay, your affirmation should be done like this. This is the how. Visualize yourself with the thing that you want. Feel the feelings of already having it. Okay. Picture it in the end. And then say and write your affirmation. Say and write your affirmation. I recommend to write, right? Because something with writing is like all your thoughts go away, everything in the background goes away. You're completely focused on that thought. You're writing it out. It's like super focus. And focus is what helps you manifest, because you're focused on one image. Your mind is in order. You're feeling that image fulfilled because you understand this information. You know that feeling causes everything to vibrate, and feeling causes things to come to you. And it's the key ingredient to bring that thought into physical form. Okay. Another way of saying feeling is faith, because what you believe in is what you're feeling. What you believe in is what you're feeling. So if you're feeling good, like you already have that goal image, like you already have the partner, you already have the money, you already have that trophy, you already have that body. If you're feeling that way, you're believing it. Okay. So I hope you like this one. This one's pretty short and straight to the point, especially if you've been listening to these podcasts or videos, what have you. Then you're understanding how it's going. Okay. So I hope your journey is unfolding. You're staying at a high vibe, and I'll see you next time. Okay. Thank you. Peace.